Alright, Joe, here's your 408 small block Ford. Description is combination. Got some of our cast heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got one of our rotating kits, Eagle crank rods, Racetec Pistons in it. Front sump oil pan. We just got a manifold on it to dyno it. The distributor. I think you got your own stuff. We're going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 486 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 507, peak horsepower 483. We rated 450. It's got our new gas cast head, and plus we got a Victor Jr. on this. So normally we run an air gap, so that takes some power away. So it runs good. Do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple other things. For receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take some more tech stuff. So have a great day.